Welcome back to another video. Today I decided to do something different. Instead of teaching you a hairstyle, I'm actually going to teach you a type of Zentangle. I don't know if you know this about me, but I actually really like drawing almost just as much as I like doing hair. But people have always known me for good at doing hair, and I've never really told people about it. So today I will be teaching you how to do a Zentangle. I will still be doing hair tutorials, but I just wanted to do something different this time. And I thought what I could do is post hair tutorials on Thursdays, and then I can do videos that aren't related to hair on Tuesdays. This time is just going to be on Thursday because I was a little late in filming it. But for future videos, on Thursdays it will always be hair tutorials, and then on Tuesdays it'll be, crafting or drawing, just whatever I feel like it, I guess. So hopefully you enjoyed this little change, and let's get started. Okay, for this drawing, I'm going to use just regular paper and a pen, and you're going to want to start with a shape. So a triangle, a square, a rectangle. A triangle is probably going to be the easiest. So I would start with a triangle. And your triangle doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so once you've got your triangle, what you're going to do is start on your left side and start from the bottom left and draw close to this line right here, and then you're gonna slowly go out like this so it gets bigger and bigger, so it's like a really, really thin triangle. And then you're gonna want to start on the top of the triangle and do the same thing, where at first it's right next to the line, and then you're gonna start making it bigger and bigger. Okay, and then do the same on this right corner. Start close to the line and then get bigger and bigger. When you're drawing these lines, trying to make it so the spacing is pretty much equal. And what you're doing is, when you're drawing these lines like this, you're essentially drawing like half of an open fan. So just keep doing that, and once you get farther in, you'll start to notice that it kind of like swirls into the middle, and that's what you want it to do. Okay, so once you get close to the middle, just fill up with your pen so it's like a dark space. So this is what it should look like. And what you can do is you can use this pattern to like decorate anything, any shape, just as long as it's got edges. And you can like fill the whole page with that kind of pattern. So like if you want to do something like this, I use the same pattern to fill the whole page. You're gonna draw another triangle wherever you want. I'm just gonna do beneath it. And then to complete this open fan right here, start from over here where it's the smallest, and then remember at first to draw close to the line and then get bigger and bigger. And then on this left side, do the same thing. Draw close to the line and then get bigger and bigger. And it doesn't have to be perfect. No one will really notice because they're all just small lines. Okay, so as you're getting closer to the middle, you notice that you have like this fan thing right here where it kind of goes out, and it almost looks like it's like disappearing beneath these ones, and that's where you want to get it. So now you have something like this. Another way to use this technique is instead of making it like a fan like this, when you're doing this second triangle down here, instead of having the smaller section going from this and then getting bigger, you can draw it where it starts on this side and it gets bigger and bigger. So on this top triangle, right here, it starts from this side, but on this bottom triangle, it's coming from this side and it gets bigger and bigger. And the more you draw, the more you'll notice. And it just gives a cool, different effect. So this is what it looks like. You can see that it looks almost as if it's got two different sides, and it's just like twisting, but it looks like it's like melted together as well. So it's just a really cool look. And like before, you can draw more triangles and fill up. So this is the first technique, and then this is the second technique. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how you can use this technique to decorate. So this book, I actually got this from girls camp, and it's like a journal, and it's all white, you know. It's just like a journal where you get to like draw more instead of just all plain writing. And you can, since it's all white in the front, you can decorate the front. So I decided, as you can see, to do like a, I don't know, kind of like a star thing around this, my name, my initials. And as you can see, I used the same pattern, the Zentangle pattern. And if you wanted, you could decorate like numbers with this, or you could just fill a tiny page with this kind of drawing. I have this drawing book, and I do some of my drawings in this, and as you can see, it kind of looks like a mess from far away, but if you look close, it's just so much detail. So these are just a few ways where you can use this kind of pattern. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that little change. So this video was actually filmed in 2 different days. That's why I have like a different hairstyle and a different outfit. But hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully you like this change. I won't be coming out with videos like this every Tuesday. It's just whenever I feel like it, and I will try to do a hair tutorial every Thursday. So make sure you hit the bell so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a video. And thanks for watching this art video. Hopefully you understood what I was trying to say, and hopefully it's not confusing to you. I really love this kind of drawing, so it's kind of easy for me. I mean, it's just what I enjoy. So, and hopefully you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.